got the tow mirrors up because we're towing heavy. I think there's a spare tire in the bed or something.
Yeah.
Okay, what we got going on today is we're going to attach the 52-inch LED light bar. We have the brackets. The brackets are from apoc, APOC. So apoc Industries, 3015 Cecil Hatcher Drive in Louisville, Tennessee, Louisville. Questions or concerns, call 844-854-6906. Not sponsored by these guys. I had to pay for these. They were $80. Anyway, so this is what I got going on. Took the strip off. Took the metal weather strip holder strip off that holds the weather strip. Cleaned it. Took a rag with some brake cleaner. Cleaned this area. Going to be attaching some new weather strip. They're double-side tape. There's double-side tape on the back side of this, and so I'm just going to be using some new double-side tape. This way it seals it to the frame and everything, to the door jamb. But yeah, this is the weather strip. The weather strip molding. So anyways, they give you these the instructions. The instructions are pretty basic, plain and simple. They give you the riv nuts, which are these things here, and they give you stainless steel hardware, so which is pretty good. It's an Allen set stainless steel hardware, and they give you this bolt with a nut and 2 washers that you're supposed to use 2 wrenches on. I'm not doing that because I don't know, because I got tools, and yeah. So basically what I'm using is this riv nut gun. So they're pretty cheap. I think I got this on eBay for like $14, and it came with a bunch of riv nuts, the inserts, and it comes with the attachments and everything. So basically, instead of putting a nut and bolt and some other crazy stuff, you just thread this in. It comes with different thread pitches, attachments. So you just thread it in, then you just unlock it, and you just go to town. And you basically just tighten this thing up. I think I'm doing something wrong here. Okay. Oh, it's just spinning it. Okay. So you just crimp it, spin it some more. So when you drill the holes, they recommend a 3/8 inch drill bit, but it says that it says right there that 25/64 is preferred. I just so happen to have that size, and it's 64th inch, probably bigger than, or 30 seconds bigger than 3/8 of an inch. It's probably so you don't have to beat those in. But anyway, so drill the holes, put a little silicone in there. I do an exterior silicone, like a window door silicone, and that's pretty much it. just put those in, and then I'll do the other side, and then we'll put the light bar on, and either today or tomorrow, depending on how tired I am, we'll wire it up. Well, probably tomorrow, because I need to get a switch. So that's pretty much it. I'll just do little videos here and there of what to do, how to do it, because I'm actually gonna cut this piece different than what they tell you. They tell you just to cut this off. I'm actually just gonna cut the back of it, shave the back of it, the thickness of the brackets. This way I can still retain the metal strip to hold the weather strip. That's it. Okay, so this is what I did, is just grind it all off the backside, so that when I put it up, with a little bit of bending or whatever, because it's thin material, man, that sun, it'll lay on there flat, and then this way I can tuck the weather strip in here. Okay, I'll show you the passenger door, what it looks like, real quick. So, because I didn't want this flopping around right in here, so I wanted it to attach. Ended up putting some yellow snot weather strip adhesive glue in there, so that this way when the door's shut, because see, a lot of trucks, they got this weather strip is just flopping around right there. So when you shut the door, that's what it looks like. So anyways, I think the light bar's up, light bar's on. That's it right there. Got the tow mirrors up because we're towing heavy. I think there's a spare tire in the bed or something. Yeah. So now that was the hard part. Now the easy part is doing the wiring. So I'm gonna let the glue, that weather strip set. But yeah, it takes a while. I probably will do the wiring tomorrow or something. So it's kind of a pain in the butt, not gonna lie. Stabbed myself with the screwdriver. But actually the worst part of the whole project is the weather strip. If you take the weather strip all the way out, then yeah, sorry, the sun is blinding me. I got sensitive eyes, but anyways, yeah, the weather strip's a pain to do, man, to put it back in. So if you're gonna do it the way I did it, where you take that whole metal weather strip channel off and grind it, man, just be patient with that weather strip. It's a pain in the butt. So anyways, so that's the project for today, and then I'll do the wiring. Probably go into town tomorrow, get a switch, do the wiring, and that should be it. And then tomorrow night, maybe go for a drive, see what it looks like. On the relay, probably somewhere, oh, there's a bolt right there, probably right in here. Run the relay, attach the relay here, positive here, ground and negative are going to be on here, and then I'll run the wire. So I'll run the wire harness under there, up there, and probably right down and through there into here, and then it's gonna go underneath this lip, underneath that weather strip. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. attach the relay here, positive here, ground and negative are going to be on here. And then I'll run the wire. So I'll run the wire harness under there, up there, and probably right down and through there into here, and then it's gonna go underneath this lip, underneath that weather strip. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Some crimpers and some wire cutters. These wire cutters have a little hole right there for the wire, so they can be a wire stripper. So you got the small hole up there, and you got the little bit bigger hole right down in here. I can't remember who makes these. Buckingham. I think they're Buckingham electricians wire cutters. And then these crimpers, these are Gardner Bender GB. Snap-on makes a set. A lot of companies make a set. This is a better crimper to use. If you ever see these with a kit, don't buy the kit. Don't buy these. These suck. They're probably okay stripping the wire, but crimping and all that stuff, they pretty much suck. And then these are because these things, I've had 2 or 3 sets of these, and I don't know where I got this one. I can't really remember, but this thing's pretty much never been used. It's pretty much brand new. It just sits in my toolbox because it's junk. So anyways, so definitely just spend the money, buy the right crimpers, or buy good crimpers, and then keep them in your toolbox, because these yellow things, these universal ones, you just pretty much throw them away. So what I'm going to be using here is a self-drilling screw. As you can see, it's got a little drill bit on the end, so it's a self-drilling screw, whereas this is a self-tapper. So it's actually got little reliefs here, so it cuts the threads as it goes, so it taps the hole to the thread. So this actually is a self-tapper, and this is a self-drilling. Everybody calls these as self-tappers, but that's not. That is a self-tapper. So anyways, so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm just going to drill this in, screw it in, drill it. Makes all kinds of noise. Rattling all this, making all kinds of noise. It's not, the noise isn't coming through the door. So yeah, so I'll do a video when it gets dark, just a quick little video. But those are in. So, and that's it. Well, that's not it, but that's it. Because there's a lot more to it than just that's it. And I really hate videos where guys do that, or companies or shows do that. And I just did it, basically, where I said, oh yeah, I'll wire in you know, the LED bars, and basically didn't even show the wiring, but For the most part, I did, I guess. But I just hate shows that do that. They're like, okay, we're gonna swap an LS7 into this Chevy truck. Should be about a week's project. Blah blah blah. And then, you know, I know they gotta cram it all in a half an hour, but like they don't even show you like technical stuff or what we ran into. Oh, what we ran into is this, or you know, hey, by the way, it took us 20, 30, 40 hours of wiring to run wiring and then tuning and all this other stuff. But no, they're okay, we're going to take the car to the dyno and see what numbers it pulls, and then that guy's tuning it, messing with it for like 6 or 8 hours. But anyways, that's a different... Got a lot of rants. I'm sorry if I complain too much. But anyways, so that's it. That's the LED. Like I said, I'll come out later tonight when it's dark. I'm not going to go for a drive because I just don't want to drive. But yeah, I'll basically just show headlights, high beams, and then I'll turn off the headlights and high beams and throw just the HIDs on, and then I'll put the HIDs on with the headlights, the high beams, and then I'll turn all those off, throw the LED on, and then throw all those on. So I'll do that tonight. So that's it. Still no letter, no word for work. So okay, that's it. That's it for today. So it's somewhat dark. It's dark enough for the lights to be put on. That's how dark it is. Anyway, so my kid's gonna get in there and he's gonna flip the switches of the truck, of the lights, and we'll see how bright they are. Oh, dang. Turn the HID off and turn it back on. Nope, do it again. There it goes. Okay, headlights. Just turn headlights on. High beam. So those are highs, go to low. Okay, now do the HIDs. Those HIDs? Yeah. Okay, now do the LED. Well, the hood definitely lit up. Alright, turn the HIDs off. Turn the headlights off. So that's just the LED. Pretty bright. So, okay. So that's it. Go ahead and shut it all off. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I'm trying to get a flashlight so I can end it. So that's the end of the video. Pretty bright. Lights are pretty bright. All the lights. Happy with it, other than the fact that it whistles like crazy, I guess, going down the highway. And you'll see a video of that. So that's the LED bar light install. So like, comment, subscribe, do what you guys do. Thanks for watching.